Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the TechHub Guide channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Tunnel VPN so you can get a secure and stable connection while browsing online. This app also adds an extra layer of security to your internet connection. Before we get started, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type sshudp.online and open the official website from the top results. Once the website opens, tap on the menu icon, 3 lines, then select Hindi and after that tap on Free VPN. Now scroll through the list and locate Tunnel VPN, then tap on it to open the download page. Tap on Install to download the app, and once installed, tap on Open to launch it. After opening the app, you need to do a few simple settings. First, tap on the menu icon at the top and select Online Update to update the app resources for better performance. Next, tap on the network selection option, choose all networks, then search for UDP and select all country UDP since it works in most regions. If it doesn't work, you can try another network from the list. After that, tap on the server selection option. You can choose a server manually or leave it on auto select so the app can automatically pick the best server for your location. If your connection time runs out, you can extend it by tapping on the Add Time button. Finally, tap on the Start button to begin the connection. As you can see, it connects successfully and provides a secure internet connection. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.